back. So I've only been making shorts recently because I've done my shoulder in, so I can't really do a lot of manual work, but I just thought I'd give us a bit of an update. So we're going to get this in the ground. It's a bush tomato, not sure which type. So this tub is where I had some garlic, so I've got some blood fishing bone in there, some new compost, add a bit more. That's that. Get a bit of watering in. Plant it with a bit of basil. So the tomato plants were only thanks to one of my neighbours, because mines were an absolute disaster. They got to about that size, then they just stopped, and I gave up because it didn't seem to be growing any. But I think I've most things in. I will be sowing more stuff direct, but I'll give you a wee look. You've probably seen it in the introduction pictures, but we'll go run anyway. So we've got that courgette. See, that's taken well. Slugs seem to be leaving it alone. The beetroot you've seen before. It's a butternut squash that I put in a few days ago. I dug out that wee area there last night, and I think it's it's done my shoulder no good whatsoever. That was just some sweet corn that I had in there, so hopefully that will go well. Potatoes, rocket and swift, letting them grow on a wee bit. Runner beans, they seem to be shooting on now. Beetroot starting to bulb up. the Autumn Champions, first time I've ever tried. Onions, planting them throughout the winter, but if they end up well, I'll be doing it again. Apples are starting to form, we're picking them shortly. Chard's doing good, first time growing that. These were the other Autumn Champions, which I wasn't having that much hope for, because this is quite a shaded area. But I just thought I'd see how they would compare. And then the garlic, I lifted that about a week ago. That's solid white. Really happy with that. Some really big cloves there. So let that dry out, then I'll plot it. That's where the garlic come out. So once my shoulder recovers, I've got a fair few bits I've still got to dig, but at the moment I'm taking it easy. Like I say, I've got most things are in now anyway, and I cleared that area over there that was a sort of compost heap that wasn't being used. That was my last video, just in case you haven't seen it. So I'll probably use that next year, do something with it. I'm second year, I'm fairly happy. If you look at my early videos about what it was like when I first took it on, it really has changed a hell of a lot. But anyway, just a quick one, so I'll leave that one there, and I'll catch up with you all soon. Have a great weekend. Bye.